sparkle for no reason.
It's like pink, like white, red, blue. What is this, like a bluish color?
It's a bluish, but it's called turquoise.
Turquoise.
Okay, but does it belong blue?
Ava.
This was like
Hold on.
purple.
Can you just look?
Purple. Pink.
I don't know. That looks purple to me.
Pink.
When Ava was first diagnosed as not being able to read, because I'm not in education, I kept saying, what could we do to give her triggers or things that she can look at or know to kind of reinforce that this is really not who she is, but part of, you know, who she is. And I started to look online about different things about individuals that are neurodivergent. And like Albert Einstein, who is a genius, is neurodivergent. And so I was like, I wonder what she would think if she knew that someone else that was a genius had some of the very similar neurodivergent areas that she has. And I said, Ava, you know what? You're a genius. She's like, I am a genius, you know? And then whenever she would see the word genius, she would get all excited. So I was like, well, you probably could make some stuff that you have and things like that.
That looks cool. Perfect for you. And yeah, let's do the red.
And she was like, okay. And so got her like a little silhouette machine to cut stuff out. And we began to put genius on everything. And when she would see it, she was like, I'm a genius, I'm a genius. And it was just something where I realized just even seeing the word, it really, really boosted her confidence. So we all have genius shirts. You'll see us wearing genius shirts all the time. And whenever she sees it, she's just like reminded of who she is.
My name is Ava Simmons, also known as Ava the STEM Princess.
Hi, fellow geniuses. My name is Ava the STEM Princess.
Hi, my name is Ava, and guess what? I have an amazing gift called dyslexia.
11-year-old Ava Simmons, known as the STEM Princess, is in the national spotlight today. She turned her love for science, technology, engineering, and math into a toy line now available in stores.
When I was in school back in 2021, when I was diagnosed with dyslexia and dysgraphia, math was hard, but then when I started doing it over and over again, I got a better understanding of what I was doing. And now middle school is really easy. I thought it was going to be super hard, but it's really easy. I noticed that there was not a lot of STEM toys for kids that are neurodivergent like me. So I really started Team Genius Squad to help other kids and help me improve my reading and math skills. To do an experiment, you have to know the experiment. When we talk about know, we mean you have to know things you need, what to do, the instructions. So I had to read everything to get it done, and that's exactly what I had to start doing. And that's really how I came up with all these experiments. Reading, doing the math, putting it together. And now math is my most favorite thing to do, and reading.
Click it up a little higher on your force. Click it up a little higher.
What really motivated me to turn my love of STEM into a business was when I like to design things. And I noticed when I want to design something, I do it myself. And that is kind of how the Lemon Electricity kit was made. We learned from it, and then we tried to make it again, and then we kept going, and then we actually made a kit. And then that kit turned into a whole bunch of kits. It just really motivated me because I wanted to have my own things. I wanted to have my own brand, my own t-shirts, my own stuff. And that's really what made me want to become Team Genius Squad. Listening to kids scream and learn how STEM helps them. And listening to kids say, I look up to you, I like you. That's what makes me feel the best about doing what I do.